10-year Treasury note futures opened up very volatile, experiencing both the upside and downside around the flat line very early. Seems like conflicting inputs to the market causing confusion. We saw German 10-year bonds hit 1.5 month lows. Dollar actually falling a little bit off its 20-year high against most major crosses, and also hawkish statements by ECB Global Council member Wren, who said it was likely that the ECB would start a 25 basis point rate hike next week and likely to have a 50 basis point rate hike in September. That seemed to be offset a little bit, or perhaps overshadowed by renewed COVID fears, seeing China hitting a 7-week high and also Japan raising their alert level to the highest level that they have. Get into the bulk of our session. Volatility simmered down a little bit. The price action basically to the upside with yields pushing lower. Retail sales beat, as did July's University of Michigan, which unexpectedly rose. Empire Manufacturing went up as well. U.S. import prices went up less than expected. And lastly, June manufacturing production was a little bit lower than expected. Other than that, bonds taking comfort in domestic equities, which are rallying throughout the day. Also, news flow from Fed President Bostic, who is definitely not in favor of a 100 basis point rate hike, and he thinks 75 basis points is enough as it is. Dollar continues to be stable throughout the afternoon, albeit to the downside. Looking at options, I look at CME Group CVOL, August trading the 50th percentile on a 1-month basis, 70th percentile on a 3-month basis. At the money, vols are moderately lower today, with a skew actually a touch higher, and that's due to the fact that the down variance or put wing is lower on the day relative to the up variance or call wing. Option volume fairly spread out. We've seen noticeable volume in August 119 half calls, and on the put side, the 117 half and 118 puts. Lastly, CME Group micro mini yield-based futures volume and open interest continues to grow there. Yesterday, we saw a volume of 3,082, open interest of 3,468.